Guys, it's time for daily cipher secret word in Morse code. So we just activated the red cycle and try to enter the first letter S. It is at 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right, then T, it is a dash. Right, then A, it is a dot and a dash. Right, then B, it is a dash and 3 dots. No, it doesn't want to accept it. Okay, dash again for T. One more time, 3 dots. 1 dash. No, I need to make pause longer. Okay, a dash. The next letter is A. It is a dot and dash. Then letter B, it is dash and 3 dots. A dash and 3 dots. No, it doesn't want to accept. I don't know why. Maybe I do something wrong. Then dash and 3 dots. Yes, right. Okay, then make a big pause. And next letter is L. So it will be dash, dot, dash, and 2 dots. Right, so one more time, dot, dash, and 2 dots. And the last one is letter E. It is only 1 dot. What? Are you kidding me? Okay, one more time. 3 dots. Then pause. Then dash. Then pause. Then dot and dash. Then pause. Then dash and 3 dots. Oh, again, dot and dash. I don't know why it erases everything, but with letter E it was just crazy. S the A. Please give me your A and then B. I tried it already, I know, so it is a dash and 3 dots. I can't predict that it will be a long video. I don't know how people define this code so fast, but it just something odd. It doesn't want to accept my letter in any way. I mean, should I make it slower? Like be it like slow dash and then slow 3 dots. Okay. Then long pause. And then L like a dot, dash, dot and dot. Why? Sorry about it. Just push. Dot, dash, dot, dot. Okay, and the last one, E, please, it's only 1 dot. Please accept it. Right. So thank you for your patience and staying with me for the whole video. Okay. Thank you.